Today we're going to learn how to display multiple views. So to begin with, make a new project that should have three buttons, red, green, and blue. When you click on red, it should say red button, and green says green button, blue says blue button. You can see how to do that in earlier videos, but just quickly, in the .h file for the view controller, you have three signatures for methods, and the .m file, you have the code for the three methods, just nslog for red, green, and blue button, and in the nib, make the three buttons visible, and then select file owners and the connections, drag the connections. Okay, so once you're to that point, then we need to add a new view controller. So I'll choose File, New, File, Objective-C class, and you want this to say view controller here. I'll have JRK red view controller. Make sure this is a subclass of UI view controller. It might say something else, but change it to UI view controller. Then also we'll check with nib for user interface. Save that file, and now we should have three new files over here. First, go to the nib and change the background to red, so it'll be easy for us to see that things are working properly. Now, of course, if we run the program now, we won't see that red nib. We'll just see this view. We want it so that when we click the red button, we'll see the red view controller. So to do that, we need some new code. Go to the .m file and view controller, the main one, and here's some new code. So we'll make a reference to a controller, alloc init, and then set the style to UI modal transition style cover vertical. There are a couple of other styles, and also we present the view. That means we'll display it. Right now I have a red dot here. I think that's because I need an import statement at the top. So we'll see if we can add that. And let's see. Yes, the red dot went away. So now when we click the button, hopefully the red view will be presented. And if we run the program, let's see. There's the green and blue button. They're the same as they were before. There's the red. This is good. But of course there's nothing actually there, so I need to now add a button in this red view so that I can get back to my other view. So we'll go to the red view controller.m, and here we need to have a button that will dismiss the current view. Call this dismiss button. So I'll add a new method here. There it is. Dismiss button. And put that signature in the .h file. Okay, then I need an actual button in the nib, and need to connect it. So I'll call it done, and let's see. Here's my connections. Yes, there's dismiss button, so should be connected now. Touch up inside, and well, first let's see if the button is connected properly. So here we go. There's green, blue, and red appears. Now if I click done, I don't see anything, any output. Let me see why not. Looks like dismiss button is there, and it's not connected. Touch up inside. Okay, try again. There's red, and yes, now dismiss button is connected. Okay. Alright, so now we need some code to actually dismiss this view. And so that will go right in the dismiss button, and here is that code. It is self dismiss view controller animated. Yes, completion nil. That should dismiss it. Let's see if it works. And here we are. There's red, done. Red, done. Red, done. Okay. See if you can then do the same thing for the green and the blue button. Just make a new file, add some buttons and some code, and there you go. That's it for today. Bye.